Are you constantly fighting your cravings for junk food, or are you able to ignore them easily? Either way, you are always going to want a healthy snack at hand. However, it's so easy to get caught up in the trap of reaching for junk food when you're feeling hungry. But there are plenty of ways to get your cravings under control again and still have a healthy snack to hand. In this blog post, we'll be looking at various ways in which you can make healthy 100-calorie snacks that won't break your diet. Regardless of whether you have a craving for salty snacks, something sweet, or just need something light and nutritious, there is something here for you no matter what your preferences are. Let's get started. What is a 100-calorie snack? A 100-calorie snack is just what it sounds like, a snack that has 100 calories. This is a good guideline to follow since it means that you're not taking in an excessive amount of calories with your snack. It's important to keep an eye on your overall caloric intake, especially if you're trying to lose weight, as eating too much can make it incredibly difficult to lose weight. While 100 calories are the recommended amount for an occasional snack, you should be careful not to eat this amount all the time. Eating a snack that is very low in calories every once in a while is actually a good thing, as it prevents your blood sugar from dropping too low and helps you to avoid overeating at your next meal. Bananas. Bananas are a classic healthy snack that you can always rely on. They contain healthy fats, fiber, and plenty of vitamins and minerals. Additionally, they are very filling and have been shown to have a positive effect on brain function, energy levels, and metabolism. To make a 100-calorie snack out of bananas, all you need to do is cut them up and put them in a container or bag. You can also mash them up with some yogurt if you want a more filling snack. Bananas are easy to eat on the go and can be used for any situation that requires a healthy snack. Roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas are a classic healthy snack that is often overlooked. They are incredibly nutritious, packed with protein and fiber, and very easy to make into a 100-calorie snack. All you need to do is roast some chickpeas in the oven. You can add spices if you want to make them tastier, and then put them in a container or bag. Roasted chickpeas are easy to eat on the go and make a great alternative to chips or crisps. They are also incredibly cheap and a very cost-effective snack. You can make a lot of roasted chickpeas at once and then store them in the fridge so that you have them ready whenever you need a snack. Kale Chips. Kale chips are a delicious and nutritious snack that is surprisingly easy to make. You can easily turn a few leaves of kale into a healthy 100-calorie snack. All you need to do is put the kale leaves on a baking tray, sprinkle them with a little bit of salt, and then bake them in the oven until they are crispy. Kale chips are much healthier than potato chips and can just as easily be eaten on the go. They are also incredibly cheap to make, especially if you grow your own kale, and make a good alternative to other salty 100-calorie snacks. Greek yogurt with berries. This is a really healthy 100-calorie snack that you can easily make at home. All you need to do is mix together a serving of Greek yogurt, make sure it's plain, with some berries. You can use any berries that you like, and you can sweeten the yogurt with some honey or stevia if you want to. This is a very nutritious combination that will help to keep your energy levels up throughout the day. It's also easy to eat on the go and a very simple 100-calorie snack to make. Veggie Sticks and Hummus. This is another classic 100-calorie snack that is incredibly easy to make. All you need to do is cut up some vegetables, like carrots, peppers, and celery, and put them in a container or bag with a tub of hummus. You can also add a splash of vinegar or citrus juice to the vegetables to make them a bit more interesting. Vegetable sticks with hummus are easy to eat on the go, very nutritious, and make a great alternative to chips or other salty snacks. They are a very balanced snack that will keep you feeling full for a long time. They are also very cheap to make. Dark chocolate, of course. This might seem like an odd snack choice, but dark chocolate is very healthy and is actually a good 100-calorie snack. The key is to make sure that it's dark chocolate and that you don't eat too much of it. Eating too much chocolate will cause it to be less effective as a healthy snack and can also lead to weight gain. The key is to eat a small portion of dark chocolate that contains 100 calories. This will make sure that you get all of the benefits of chocolate while keeping your overall calorie intake in check. It's important to note that eating dark chocolate can actually be very beneficial for your health. It contains a lot of minerals and antioxidants that are good for the body. It can lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, improve your mood, and even protect you from diabetes and heart attacks. Fruit bowls. Fruit bowls are another classic 100-calorie snack that is incredibly easy to make. All you need to do is cut up some fruit, like apples, grapes, and pears, and put it in a bowl. You can also add some nuts or seeds to the bowl if you want to make it even more nutritious. Fruit bowls are very easy to eat on the go and make a great snack at the office or while studying. They are also very cheap to make and contain plenty of vitamins and minerals. Fruit bowls are a very balanced snack that can provide plenty of energy and help you to feel full for a long time. Edamame. Edamame is a common snack in Asian countries and contains plenty of nutrients. It's a great source of protein and also contains many B vitamins, iron, and fiber. Edamame is very easy to make into a 100-calorie snack and can be eaten either hot or cold. All you need to do is steam or boil the edamame and then put it in a bowl. You can then add some soy sauce for flavor, or you can try mixing the edamame with other ingredients like spices or vegetables to make it more interesting. Edamame makes a great snack that is both nutritious and cheap to make. Summing up, there are plenty of different ways in which you can make a 100-calorie snack. All you need to do is choose something that you like and then adjust the serving size to make sure that you only take in 100 calories. It's important to remember that 100-calorie snacks are just that, a snack. They are meant to be eaten in small quantities and shouldn't be eaten as a replacement for meals. By making healthy 100-calorie snacks, you can make sure that you always have something to eat when you feel hungry. This can help to prevent you from overeating at your next meal and can even help to keep your blood sugar from dropping too low.